Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest, and cheapest ways to replace a bent window screen. So let's get started. The best way, hands down, is to use a small business. Get your phone or computer and Google window or screen repair near me or in the city you live in. The names and numbers of small businesses in your area will be displayed. If you only have one screen to repair, save yourself some money and take the screen to the shop and see if they can fix it for you. Places normally charge about $100 just for them to come out and see you. If you need new windows or more than one screen repaired, call around to several places and get some quotes. Don't check only the prices, but look for the customer service as well. Pick the company that you feel the best with. If they do a good job, recommend them to your friends and family. That is the best way to go. The easiest option, maybe, is ordering a window screen replacement on Amazon. This will require you to be able to read a tape measure, which might take a little practice, but if I can do it, you can do it. Now I know this is the exact opposite of using a small business, but if you don't want to get bids or talk to anyone, then Amazon might be the best way for you to go. Let's go through ordering a screen replacement just like this one. Go to Amazon and search window screen replacement. Many options will pop up. I'm going to use a custom size window screen kit option. This screen is 57 3/8 inch by 21 7/8 inch. Unfortunately, this screen is too large for them to ship fully assembled, so I'm going to have to order it as a kit and put it together when it gets here. I want you to notice that the springs and tabs are along the long side of the window screen. The sides the springs and tabs are on will be the width you enter. This is because they put the springs and pull tabs on what they consider to be the top and bottom of the window screen. There are other options as well if your screen has plungers or ram horn springs. If you do order it this way, you still have to build the frame and put the screen in it, which normally takes a special tool and a little bit of practice. To order a kit with all the parts needed, cut the exact size needed to build a replacement screen for what I have, is about $150.
What? That's highway robbery.
I wouldn't go that far, but for this price, I would just take it to my local window and screen shop and have them build me a new screen. But if your screen is smaller, let's say a maximum of 48 inches, you can order it fully assembled and shipped right to you. Let's go through ordering a 47 3/8 inch by 21 7/8 inch size window screen. Again, search window screen replacement. This time, I'm going to use the assembled custom size window screen option. We'll enter the dimensions of the screen and the hardware needed. And for $90, it ships right to you, completed. Not bad if you have a smaller window screen to replace.
We don't have that kind of money. Do it for cheap.
Alright, the cheapest way to fix this window screen is just to replace the broken leg. This is what I'm going to do since the screen I have is still intact with no tears. I went to a local screen and window shop and bought a replacement piece for $5. In a perfect world, this should be a pretty easy job, but let's see how it goes. First thing to do is to measure how long of a piece is needed for the replacement leg. That turns out to be 56 inches. I'll mark that on the new piece and then cut it. To make this as simple as possible, I'm going to use just a little hacksaw. Nothing special. And if you take your measurement to the window shop, they'll probably cut the piece to the exact dimension you need, so you won't have to cut anything. Once the piece is cut, I'll check it to make sure it's exact. If it's a little too long, I can use a file to square up the cut and to bring it down to the size I need. Now, I'll set that piece aside and take apart this old window screen. Before I can remove the bent side, I have to remove the window screen. I'll pick out the window spline, which holds the window screen in the frame channel. Now that that's out, I can get the window screen out of the channel. Sometimes the screen is stuck and it might take a little bit of finesse to get it out. Take your time and go slowly. Don't ruin the screen. Now that the window screen is out, I can remove the bent part of the frame. I'm going to tap this bent leg out with a small hammer.
Give it a little tappy.
I'll do this as carefully as possible so I don't break these plastic corners. Once the piece is out, remove the corners and put them in the new frame rail. I forgot to order pull tabs, but I'm just going to put this frame together without them because they normally just get hot and break anyways. And now I'm going to put the screen back in the channel and install the spline. I'm just using my fingers and a large flathead screwdriver to push the spline back in the channel. The screen is now ready to be put back in the window. Worked out pretty well, and being that this only cost me $5, I was able to save some money.
That's what I'm talking about.
The Amazon links for the products detailed in this video are in the description below. Hope this video helps you out. If you can like and subscribe, it definitely helps out the channel. My name is Matt, I'm just a dude.
And I'm Boo Bear.
And if we can't fix it,
We'll fix it so no one else can.
thank you for watching.